morning. Welcome to the world of future millionaires and billionaires. This is the beginning of the day that your money and investments will multiply in value. Why? Because this is the success power synergy thing that specializes on making your money grow. Why? Because number one, what you have right now, and most likely you have time deposits, because people like you have excess money, usually put their money in bank time deposits. And you usually get at most 3.75 to 4% per annum. Your money is safe. However, due to the inflation rate, every year the value of your money goes down for about 4 up to 6%. That means the 100 pesos that you used to buy say 1 kilo of rice will have to be purchased at about double or more than that after several years. Thus, the buying power of your money is drastically reduced. And if you are a retiree who invested your money, you put your money in the time deposit, that means the earning power, while it is already small, if it is a time deposit, is fixed to that level of percentage. However, with us and with the company that we represent, we can show you how your money can earn from at least 4% per annum to 8 or even higher per annum. Why? Because your money is invested and placed for management in the company that is known for so many number of years to be the leader in the financial industry, specifically in the field of finance, money management, and insurance. Of course, you have heard of Philip Life. When you hear the word Philip Life, what immediately comes into your mind is insurance, because that is the most common association with Philip Life. But do you know that right now, up to this moment, the assets, the gross income, the shares of stocks, the equity, runs into billions of pesos. And even after several international currency crises, Philip Life have remained, and it still is, the leader in the financial industry. As a matter of fact, it has received so many awards, most especially the Platinum Award given by the Reader's Digest when it made a survey of the different insurance and financial institutions. And consistently, Philip Life received 7 awards, and it been receiving several awards because of excellence, high performance, very reliable, integrity, and right now we are happy to introduce to you why your excess money or retirement money must be placed in what we call the investment money value multiplier programs. Would you like your money to earn more than what it is now earning from your bank time deposit? Yes, of course, you would want to. And the beauty of these programs that we are going to introduce to you is basically withdrawal at any given time, of course subject to the usual documentation and processing, as with any bank. That is still the same. But the thing is, why withdraw your money when it is multiplying in value, when it is earning high dividends, are very, very safe? Well, of course, we have programs that is suited for those who would like to take risk in order to earn more. We do have that program. And also, the most popular is what we call the Balance Fund investment program, wherein your money is invested by our expert, experienced, top-performing money managers. Over the years have proven to be the best in the industry. Why? Because your money is invested in a balanced way. Here you have the fixed equity, and then you have the other type of balanced fund. You want higher earnings, you choose the other one, the more aggressive investment approach. But let me put it this way. For a minimum of 125,000, aside from the high dividend yield, your money and you are insured to 125% of your initial investment. So if you have invested 1 million, your money is protected, and you, of course, benefit from it at the value that is worth 125% of your 1 million. Isn't that nice? Another thing is, when something happens to you, say an accident or things that you don't want to happen, then the good thing is there is the protective cover that we provide, the accident insurance cover. As I said, it's worth 125% of your initial single pay insurance. Just a moment, please.